Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save and export high quality image from Prisma app. Here I am using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android too. First, open the Prisma app and edit your photo as well. Choose a filter, adjust the intensity, and fine tune the image until you are happy with the result. Once you are done editing, tap done or name at the top of the screen. Now you will see the save screen. Before saving, tap on the setting or quality option if it appears. Make sure high quality export is turned on. This ensures your photo is saved in the best possible resolution. If you see any option like save original photo, turn it on as well. This keeps the original image long with the edited version. Now tap save. Prisma will process the image for a few seconds. Once save is completed, your photo will be stored in the photo app on your iPhone in full quality. If you want to save this image, tap the share icon and choose Instagram, WhatsApp or any other app for the best quality on social media. Always upload direct from your gallery. That's it. You have successfully saved and export a high quality image from Prisma. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.